In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Shopify header. We're going to ensure that your online store is not just visually appealing, but also seamlessly connected with your social media presence, creating an engaging experience for your customers while enhancing your brand's visibility across various platforms. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Online Store option, which often appears on the sidebar. Clicking on this will reveal various customization options for your store's theme. The theme you choose is the backbone of your store's appearance, and today, we'll be focusing on customizing its header to include social media icons. Within the theme section, you'll find a button that allows you to customize your theme. Click on it, and this will take you to the theme editor. The theme editor is where all the magic happens. It gives you the power to adjust and fine-tune various aspects of your store so that it matches your brand perfectly. Here, let's direct our attention to the header of your store. The header is usually the topmost part of the site, often including the logo, navigation menu, and potentially an announcement bar. Click on the header section. Within this page, you will find a variety of options for customization. For our purpose, look for a section dedicated to the announcement bar. Some themes might have this as a standalone feature, while others might include it within the general header settings. Once you are in the header or announcement bar section, we're looking for an option related to social media. This might be labeled as social icons or social media links on the interface, depending on the theme you are using. In many cases, it's just a simple toggle switch. Turn on the social media icons by enabling this feature. What this does is allow your chosen social media links to be visibly displayed in the header of your website. Now that the social media icons are enabled, the next step is to connect your social media accounts. This is where you'll be able to add URLs to your respective social media profiles. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other platform your business is on, ensure these links are accurate and functioning. Simply enter the appropriate URLs into the designated fields right next to the corresponding social media icon options. After you've entered your social media links, it's important to save these changes. You'll typically find a Save button somewhere on the theme editor page, often highlighted to make it easy to spot. Saving your settings ensures that the social media icons and their links are successfully added and that your modifications are applied to your online store. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully added social media icons to your Shopify header, making it easier for your customers to connect with you across your favorite social platforms. This simple addition not only enhances your store's functionality, but also helps in building a community around your brand. Thank you for watching and happy selling.